Hello, and in this video I'll go over how to change screens by swiping through swiping in kivy. I've checked the documentations and I didn't find anything I deem useful. I found carousel, but the examples only used images, so if anyone knows how to use carousels to change screens through swiping, comment down below. And so the first thing is I got the swiping gesture. So if touch dot x is less than touch dot ox print no yeah, let's see if it works with print touch dot ox touch dot x. Touch.ox is the initial contact is the initial contact of the screen. So the first time you touch the screen to swipe, that will take the position of your finger in that touch, and then X is the final moment in which your fingers touch the screen. So if we run this, then swipe, we're swiping in that direction. You see it's working. So okay, so instead of having it print the actual positions, we'll have main app dot main app dot change screen nope screen name. It's the screen name. I want let's go to the settings screen. Settings screen. No, maybe not. Screen. Let's go to this screen and direction screen. Direction lefty. Okay. So main app dot get running app gets this app, this class, main app class. Without the get running app part, it creates another instance of main app which will not work. So this is very important. And change screen refers to this method here. It gets the screen name and the screen direction. The screen manager is equal to self.read.id screen manager. This gets screen manager from the kivy file. My main kivy file here. So it gets these IDs, and these are other screens in the app so far. So I have access to all three screens. And then the screen manager current screen is current. So that's whatever screen's on right now. That becomes the screen name, and that gives the direction. So yeah, screen name, I'm going to get into this screen. Yeah. So if we run and we swipe, boom, it works. Yep. You can also modify it a bit. For example, this now, it changes the screen for the slightest of swipes. So in order to change that, you can have let's see, is the initial distance, nope, that's not it, that's nope. Subtract the last this position. If it's greater than 50, so now this will, now the 50 can vary. If you want a longer swipe, the number can increase. So just 50 for example's sake. Yeah, so if it's greater than 50, then the screen will change. So let's check it out. Small swipe, nothing. Longer swipe, yeah, it works. It works. So here's my solution for changing screens through swiping in Kivy. If anyone has a simpler solution to the problem, put it in the comment section below. If you have any questions, I'll try my best to answer. And yeah, ciao.